Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Box at 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to know that you can't connect Box directly in Canva. So as of 2026, Canva doesn't list Box as a native cloud storage option in its apps panel like Google Drive or OneDrive. So you won't see Box as a direct storage provider inside Canva's upload and insert menu. And the workaround is to use workflow automation tools that connect Box and Canva using APIs. Okay, so you will need to use an automation tool that require no coding. Okay, so as an option we have Zapier. Okay, so just go with Zapier, click that site, so it's zapier.com, and then just sign up with a new account or log in if you already have an account. So for those who don't know, Zapier lets you connect apps without coding and automates actions between Box and Canva as well. So it can allow you to automatically upload files from Box into Canva as assets and trigger action in Canva when something happens in Box. Okay, so here on the dashboard you will need to go and click on ZAP or ZAP. That's the automated workflows. Okay, so just click it, and here you will need to click on trigger here and type Box, right, and you will need to select it as a trigger, right, and then you will need to select Canva as an action. Okay, so just select it. So right now you will need to go and choose the action event. Just right here, create design, export design, import design. So it's up to you, and then just go and connect your accounts on Canva just right here. So you'll need to click on sign in and sign in with your Canvas account. Okay, so go with allow, and there you go. So right now all you need to do is to complete the zaps and then just click on test run and then publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.